Hello friends, welcome back to our another video. So today I'm going to tell you the awesome AI that can help you to solve your specific problem related to any specific subject. So let's get start our video. At the first open your browser and search questionai.com. When you have entered the questionai.com, then you will see the dashboard like this. You will just need to log in. Just like this, I am logging by my account. Then after success, you will see a dashboard like this. Here, some options are given by this AI to you. It is a calculator that can help you to solve your critical problems. You will also take a screenshot. It will teach you how to take a screenshot in laptop or PC. Then you will send a PDF to here. And the first you will just need to click here and try a PDF. I already sent it PDF, so I will teach you how can you ask question to this AI by using a PDF. Then click in crop and now crop this question. Then click in solve it. After click and solve it, it will send to it, and now this AI can solve the problem for us. Here you will see how it can solve to you. So you will also ask question like this. So here you will see this type text or upload. Here you will can drag an image here or can and also ask a question to it, like when you ask GPT it give to you, or Socra AI or Google Bard. Like this you will need to ask question, just like I will ask it define electromagnetic induction. When I ask this, then it will give answer to us. If you need to know in the more brief, then you will click and explain it. Now you will see here, it will explain more. I hope you understand how to use this AI. Like this video and subscribe for more videos related to AI.